Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to talk about how we can use book call parity to create syntactic position. Now for book call parity is written this way: P plus S equal to C plus X1 plus RT. Technically the put and the call here, they should have the same underline, same time to maturity, same strike, and this is a underline S and X is a strike, so X to a power of 1 plus R to the power minus T. Basically this whole thing is the present value of strike. Okay, with this book call parity, if you want to create a syntactic long version, what we need to do is to leave the S here, and right hand side will C plus present value of 1 plus R T. When we move over the put to the right hand side minus P. So in this case, if you want to create a syntactic long version, basically you can do it by buying a call options, okay, selling a put options. Why you say sell put option? Because it's a negative in front of it, so it's a selling a put options, and you long this thing. Now what is this thing? Present value of this strike. Now this one technically is like you are buying a zero coupon bond. Now, if you buy a zero coupon bond, the price you'll be paying will be a present value of par. So in this case, the par is actually equal to X. So now you are putting this money to pay for this zero coupon bond, which price as present value of the strike. Okay. So at maturity, you'll get back the par which is equal to strike. So in this case, you have this long syntactic long version. You have done a syntactic long version. Now, of course, if you want to have a syntactic short version, then what we need to do is just multiply both the right hand side and left hand side with negative. So we have minus S will be equal to minus C minus X1 plus R T and plus P. So in order to create a syntactic short version, what we need to do is to sell call options, buy put options, and in this case, how to interpret this minus present value of par? Basically, it's like we are borrowing money. Now, just like earlier on, when you buy a zero coupon bond, we are lending money. Now, in this case, we are like selling a zero coupon bond, and in this case, it's like we are borrowing money. Now, this is creating a syntactic long and a syntactic short version. Now, what happens if we want to create syntactic long call or syntactic long put? Then, how am I going to do that? Okay, for example, now we write a book call parity again. P plus S equal to C plus X over 1 plus RT. So in order to create a syntactic put version, is equal to C plus X, now X 1 plus RT. We are bringing over the S to the other side and become minus S. So in order to create a syntactic version, it will be equal to long a call options, sell the underlying, plus you buy a zero coupon bond. Basically, you are lending the money. Now, what happens if you want to do a syntactic call operation? Now, syntactic call operation is here. We have the P plus S still here. So basically, we are trying to bring over this thing over to the left hand side. It become minus 1 plus RT. Okay. So in this case, to create syntactic long call version, what we need to do is to buy put, buy underline, and we sell zero coupon bond. Or in this case, basically means we are borrowing money. Okay, so this is how we create syntactic version from book call parity.